I'm doing a rebuild on a 1977 CJ7. One of the things we're doing is the engine. We've upgraded intake, cam, a few other things, but as part of it, we're cleaning it up. And I chose the Por 15 engine enamel to do both the block and a couple of other parts. I wanted to test the difference between spraying it versus brushing it on. And I've sprayed the block, I've brushed the water pump, and you can see here the water pump, they both came out well. The water pump I found was a little bit thicker in the way that it sprayed on, but the brush strokes did even out nicely. And even though I wasn't happy with the water pump when I started, I was much happier with the engine. I'll show you pictures of both. I did finish up the transfer case here yesterday, and that's also brushed, and I'm much happier with the way that came out with a brush. Obviously, a big part of it is cleaning and prepping, but you can see that came out well. So I'll show you some pictures now, and you can let me know what you think. So all in all, when I compare spraying versus brushing the Pore 15 engine enamel, I personally prefer spraying it. It's diluted 20% just with lacquer thinner. I find you get a little bit more even control when you're putting it on versus when you're brushing it, you're not getting any brush strokes. But honestly, both methods worked really well. I'm very happy with both of them. As far as cleaning, I cleaned with Super Clean, I cleaned with Varsol, I cleaned with brake cleaner, and I cleaned with paint prep, and I used screwdrivers and picks and tools to clean out all the nooks and crannies. I was very, very detailed in all of my cleaning. That's what it's going to take to get any decent adhesion. And as far as usage, I've done a block, a water pump, a balancer, the transfer case, and I still have at least a third of a can left in here. So for anyone who's wondering, there's more than enough. This is a 16-ounce can, and it's definitely enough for doing an entire engine, and I'll have some left over for touch-ups and little bits later. Thanks very much.